Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn about statistics, data. Data. So, how many data are there? Two data, primary data and secondary data. So, what is a data? Data means these are the data that collected in a person's or person census and villages. So extra. So collect grouped. Data means grouped. Data means grouped. So primary data means these are the data that are collected in a persons for the first time for a specific purpose. So for using a specific purpose, primary data. So for example, census of villages, then another one collection of collects, then how many districts examples. So some more examples are primary data. Okay, then next is for the secondary data. Secondary data means these are the data that are sourced from some places that has originally collected it. Originally collected data. So original used with the original in secondary data. This kind of data has already been collected by some other persons. Collected by some other person. It is a original using original. Okay, so by some other persons, the statistical operation may have been performed on them already. Here, for example, Geeta also collected the data, but she took it from the record which had already collected them. This is called the secondary data. Okay, Geeta also collected the data, but she took it from record which had already collected them. So secondary data means collected originally. So primary data means used with the collection of marks, census of villages. So these are the primary data. So secondary data means collected in a original record. Okay, do you understand? Next, frequency distribution. Frequency distribution. So frequency distribution table, grouped data and ungrouped data. Grouped data and ungrouped data. So first one, ungrouped data. So what is a frequency distribution? A frequency distribution is the arrangement of the given data in the form of table showing the frequency with which each variable occurs. So frequency distribution, there are two types. Frequency distribution table for ungrouped data and grouped data. Ungrouped data and grouped data. So ungrouped data. Construction of frequency distribution table for ungrouped data. So ungrouped data, then another one explain the discrete data. Discrete data. Okay, and ungrouped data can assume only whole numbers and exact measurements. So ungrouped data used only whole numbers and exact measurements. Exact measurements. Okay, ungrouped data can assume only whole numbers and exact measurements. So these are the data that cannot have a range of values. Range of values, a usual way to represent this is by using bar graphs. It is using by bar graph. Okay. So for example, the number of teachers in a school, the number of players in a grade. Okay. Next one, exam. Form an ungrouped frequency distribution table for the weight of 25 students. In standard, fourth given below: 25, 24, 20, 25, 16, 15, 18, 20, 25, 16, 20, 16, 15, 18, 25, 16, 24, 18, 25, 15, 27, 20, 20, 27, 25. So first find the range of weights. First we find the range of weights. Second one, how many of the students has the highest weight in the class? Highest weight in the class. So third one is what is the weight to which more number of students belongs to? what is the height to which more numbers of students belongs to. Then another one, how many of them belongs to the least weights. Least weight. Okay. So first question, find the range of the weights. Find the range of the weight. To form a distribution table, arrange the given data in ascending order under weight column. Put a vertical mark against each variable under tally marks. So tally marks, already you know that the tally marks column, and count the number of tally marks against the variable and enter the frequency columns as given below. Okay, given below. First, draw a tabular column, weight, tally marks and frequency. Already know the tally marks. So it is the cancel it below 5. Okay, below 5. So first 15. Count the 15. Okay, count the 15. How many 15s are there? Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 15. So put in the line 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay. So 3. Put into 3. Next 16. Next 16. How many 16s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 16s are there. Then next 18. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3 18s. Draw a line. 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next 20. How many 20s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 means cancel the line. 25 line. Draw a 5 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 means cancel it. 5 means cancel it. 5. Okay. Then next 24. How many 24s? 1, 2. 2 24. 2. Okay. Then next 25. How many 20s? Sorry. How many 25? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6. Okay. 6 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 6. Okay. Next draw the another line. Then next 27. How many 27? 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. So next. So total add it to the all the numbers. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 2 17, 17 plus 6 23, 23 plus 2 25. So correct frequency data. Okay. 25. How many students? 25 students. So tally marks are 25. So correct frequency. Then next second question. How many of the students has the highest weight in the class? Highest weight in the class. Highest weight. How many of the highest weight? So second question. First question, find the range of the given weight. Okay, so the range of the given data, the range of the given data, range of the given data highest value minus lowest value, highest value minus lowest value. Okay, so highest value is 27, lowest value is 15. So difference between the highest value to lowest value is 12. Okay, 27 minus 15, 12. Then next, second question, how many of the students has the highest weight in the class? So highest weight, how many students? See the table, 2. 27 is the highest. Least weight is 15. Okay, least weight is 15. So highest weight, highest weight equal to 27 highest weight 27 kg. How many students? 2 students have the highest weight. Highest weight. Okay, third question, what is the weight to which more number of students belongs to? More number of the students belongs to. Okay, third question, 6 students belongs to 25 kg weight. Okay, then next fourth question, fourth question, how many of them belongs to the least weight? 3 students belongs to least weight of 15 kg. Okay, next one is a group data. A group data is any value within a certain interval. The data can take values between certain range of height and lowest weight, highest weight and lowest value. Okay, so a group data is any value within a certain interval. The data can take values between certain range with the highest and lowest value. Continuous data can be tabulated in what is called frequency distribution. They can be graphically represented using a histograms. These are called the histograms. So for example, the age of person in a village, the height and weight of the students of your class. Okay, so now we will consider a situation. If we collected data of marks for 50 students, it becomes very difficult to put tally for each and every marks of all the 50 students. If we arrange the marks in a table, it will be a very large length and not understandable at once. In this case, we use a class intervals. So using the class intervals for group data. In this table, consider the groups of data in the form of class intervals to the tally of the frequency for the given data. Okay. So for example, age of persons in a village, the highest and height and weight of the students of the your class. So what is a class interval? The range of a variable is grouped into a number of classes and each group is known as a class interval. The range of the variable is used. So range of the variable means upper and lower. So highest and lowest. These are called the class interval. So the difference between upper limit and lower limit of the class is known as class size. So class interval, upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. For example, class interval. Class interval, upper limit minus lower limit. So 10 to 20 can be written as 10 to can be written as 10 to 20. The class size is 20 to 10. So equal to 20 minus 10, 10. Okay. So that is a class interval. Class interval, continuous series, and discontinuous series. Okay. Discontinuous series. Okay. So continuous series means 10, 20, 30, 40 up to. So discontinuous series 11, 20, 21, 30, 31. So these are called the discontinuous series. So continuous series is 10, 20, 30. So 5, 10, 15, that is called the continuous. 2, 4, 6. So these are called the continuous series. Uncontinuous series means 11, 20, 21, 30, 31, 40, 41. So 50, 50, 53. So these are called the discontinuous series. Okay. Then next, so 10 to 20. 10 to 20. First example, 10 to 20. 20 to 30. 30 to 40. 40 to 50. How will you written this a gap? Written as a gap. So 11 to 20. Then next 21 to 30. The next continuous series, isn't it? So 30 after 31. 31 to 40. Okay. Then next 41 to 50. Okay. 41 to 50. What is a gap? So this is a gap. This is a gap. Okay. So upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. Gap. So upper limit means 21. 21 minus 20. So difference between 1. Gap difference between 1. Okay. Did you understand? So difference between the gap. Next one, 31 minus 30, 1. 41 minus 40 equal to 1. Then next, lower boundary. Lower boundary equal to lower limit minus half of the gap. Okay, so lower limit value 11, half of the gap, so 1, so 1 is a half, 1 by 2, so 1 is a half, 1 by 2. Okay, so that is a 0.5, 1 by 2, so 11 minus 0.5, that value 10.5. The next, upper boundary. First studied lower boundary, then next we will study upper boundary. Upper boundary, upper limit plus half of the gap, half of the gap. Okay, so upper limit, what is upper limit? Which one? So first 20 plus 1 by 2, 1. So this is a gap. Okay, so 20 plus half value is a 0.5, so that value is a 20.5. Okay, so 11 subtracted 0.5 and added 0.5. That is a difference between the gap. Okay, so upper limit and lower limit. So next one, discontinuous series and continuous series. Discontinuous series, and continuous series. Okay, so discontinuous series, 11 to 20 is a discontinue, 21 to 30, next 31 to 40, 41 to 50. So these are called the discontinuous series. How? So 20 continuous 20, so not a continuous in a 21. Okay, so subtracted 0.5 in 11, so added 20 plus 0.5, so 10.5 to 20.5. So discontinuous series, so 0.5 subtracted, so 20.5, 30.5. Then next 30.5 minus 40.5, 40.5 to 50.5. Okay, do you understand? Thank you students. If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. Thank you.